So I purchased some tomato plants like we do every year, but I wanted to put them somewhere in my yard where they would be close to the spigot, and I found the perfect corner for it. We even got some bell pepper plants, and I planted some herbs. We'll see how that goes. Then my husband had a customer who gave us some rock, and we went and picked that up, and look at the scenery. That was in Gordonsville, and we brought home some rock. Now we use topsoil on our flower gardens. It works just as good as mulch, and it's a lot cheaper. And he also picked me up a little present while he was there, and we'll see how that goes. I put on my boots and I got to work. I just wanted to show you my food. Don't you guys think he was flying a little bit too low? Okay, so back to what I was going to show you. Here is my city garden. It is really grown. And I have oregano coming up. And then I have another tomato. This one's a big boy. This is actually a cherry tomato, a super sweet cherry tomato. And here, this one is a better boy. And here's a really good picture of it. Okay, now let's see if I can grow some tomatoes.